What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Andy&Han. If you're new here, my name is Hannah. Normally Andrew's with me, but today he is not with me. I'm doing a Thanksgiving outfit idea, showing you guys a ton of Thanksgiving outfit ideas and ways to put things together and all that fun stuff. So if you're new here, subscribe because we post videos every single Sunday for you guys. Always have that content going. Follow me on Instagram. I post tons of stuff on there as well. Fitness stuff, fashion stuff, you name it, it is on there. So you guys should definitely check that out. And we are gonna get right into this week's video. Okay, so like I said, this is gonna be Thanksgiving outfit ideas. We're gonna hop right into different outfit ideas. I also post a lot of different outfit inspiration as well as fitness stuff on my Instagram, so definitely make sure to check that out on ways that I style things as well. Okay, so going into Thanksgiving outfit ideas, I've got a lot of chic and a lot of just like normal stuff. Obviously you could just go with the normal like sweater and jeans, but if you want to change it up this year, here we go. We got lots of stuff for you guys. So the first thing I have is vests. I've got this black vest here, and then I've got this sweater underneath this wine colored fur vest. And this fur vest was from Target from last year. I think it was like $24, so a really good price for this vest. And this sweater is from Old Navy, really cute color, goes really well. I wear this with black jeans. And it's just a very cute to add the vest over on top. This one is a very chic look. So if you're going for a chic look Thanksgiving, add a really nice vest. And that's always just super simple, super easy. Find a vest, go to Target, go to Old Navy, go to Marshall's, go to TJ Maxx. Cheaper if you want to go more expensive, you can go to Nordstrom or Dillard's or any place like that. Find a very chic vest and throw it over something you already have. Bam, Thanksgiving outfit done. And so I have this vest and this vest. This one's from Old Navy, and it's just very chic, very easily thrown on. It's a mock J. Crew, so I don't want to spend that much money because don't wear that much, so Old Navy it is. Okay, next we have this Old Navy dress. It's a really pretty orange or burnt orange, yellowy orange, whatever you want to call it, colored dress. It's super simple, a little bit longer, so a little bit more modest. It's really cute. It's got these sleeves on it, and I would wear this with this super cute cabbie hat. I went over this in my October favorite, so I'm not going to go too into detail with these. These are really in style right now. It's a throwback hat, but these are really cute. I wear this leather one with this, and that's something that you guys can do. Just take a simple fall dress or a summer dress even that's not super, bright and summery, but it's more a plain summer dress. Pair it with a hat and high knee boots. Bam, you got a Thanksgiving outfit that's super cute. But this one is from Old Navy, and it's really nice. I pair it with this leather cabbie hat and some knee-high boots. There you go. Next, we have this skirt. I got this skirt from PacSun, and I'd wear this denim skirt with this Old Navy. Oop, it's on a hanger. There we go. Okay. I'd wear this denim skirt with this I guess reddish color shirt. It's a little bit longer, or the sweater. It's a little bit longer, but it's actually perfect because once you tuck it in, the sides can float down, and it looks more fall-esque. It's super cute. I'd pair this with some jewelry around my neck, and then bracelets as well. And then I'd also wear this with probably either ankle booties or knee-high boots. Knee-high boots are always a great go-to with sweater dresses, with any type of dresses really, unless it's like super long obviously, or with jeans and a sweater. Knee-high boots literally always add a little bit of extra to an outfit that makes it look really cute. So that's another idea. Take a skirt that you have and pair a sweater with it, or take a dress that you have and put a sweater over that, so it looks really cool too. So that's another idea that you can do. And I would pair this with these boots. And this is another thing I want to talk about. So we talked about a little bit of cabbie hats, skirts, sweaters, dresses, stuff like that. These are really cute. I have actually worn these a good amount, more than I thought I was going to. These I got from TJ Maxx, so very simple, not super expensive. I got them on sale at TJ Maxx. You guys always shop sales and get stuff. Don't buy full price anything unless it's cheap. These I got on sale, and I've worn them so much. They are so cute. I wear them with sweater dresses and jeans and anything you can imagine. These are really cute boots. So that's another, like I said, knee-high boots. But try to find fun ones too sometimes. If they're for sale, go ahead and do that. Then I have this sweater dress. It is so cute. This one is actually from College Station. I got it here, and I got it at, oh, what's that place called? Charlotte Russe. Okay, so I have mixed opinions of Charlotte Russe. Have I gone there since I got this like a year ago? No. I don't shop there, but I was at the mall getting something from Forever 21 and I stopped in there and I saw this dress and I was like, wow, that's actually a really cute sweater dress. Walmart, okay, low-key, step up their game. I got a really cute sweater dress from Walmart and I wore it to the game on my Instagram. Check it out. It was like $15 and a really cute turtleneck sweater dress. Random things at random places that I find, I'm like, whoa, that's actually really cute. If it's cheap, I don't care, I'm gonna do it. So anyway, another really cute sweater dress. Really my favorite Thanksgiving outfit idea is a sweater dress, to be honest. I wore a really long sweater with jeans last Thanksgiving, but sweater dresses are my go-to for this fall and for Thanksgiving. I just think they're so perfect. You can wear sweater dresses with high knee boots. And then well, next to the last outfit idea, I'm gonna show you guys this one too that I'm wearing, but another outfit idea is this really cute, and I think you guys have seen these lately. It's this dress with a tie around, and it's just like, it literally just goes like around your stomach area, and it's really cute. It doesn't wrap around or anything. I mean, you can have it wrap if you want to, but this is actually the style how it's supposed to be worn. Super soft, this one is at least, and it's got longer sleeves. It's really, really comfortable. I wear this, again, high knee boots or ankle boots. If you guys have ankle boots, you can always wear ankle boots with these, but this, and then to pull this off with the other sweater dress too, I would wear this hat. This hat is, I showed in my October favorites, same with the cabbie hat. I'm showing you guys these just to show you now how I would style them. I showed you guys that these are very versatile hats, of how I would wear them in different ways, but now I can actually show you guys, like for Thanksgiving, like hats are always super cute to just put on. Instead of just like a beanie, an oversized sweater, and jeans, try to up it, you know? Everyone wants those like cute Thanksgiving pictures, your parents do, on Instagram or whatever you want to post. Like, these are so many cute ways to pull off different looks. I don't have the budget to go out and just buy a million pairs of clothes. I have a lot of clothes, but I don't just go out and buy like a whole new wardrobe for every single fall, winter, whatever. So I'll pull some things from last year that I didn't really wear as much, or I'll pull some things from the summer and try to add things into it. So this is my second to last. And then my last one is what I'm wearing. So if you can see the detailing here, this is actually, goes like this. This is a really, really, really cute sweater dress. I love it. It's from Forever 21. This is my second time wearing it, and I got it last week. So it's going good. I love this sweater dress, and I think it's just a perfect length. I love wearing my knee-high boots with it. And like I said, sweater dresses are my go-to. But I also showed you guys like sweaters and a skirt, and then pair it with different hats. You can also do tights underneath your skirt to add a little something. Like, I know like it's Thanksgiving, but I mean, you could literally wear like black tights with like a really cute chic black skirt or leather skirt or whatever, and do a sweater and do a more chic look for Thanksgiving. It's up to whatever you want to do, or statement earrings. I always wear hoops most of the time. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got for you guys. One more thing is you could also add a belt around a sweater dress, a belt around a regular dress, or just around your jeans, like a statement belt. Statement pieces will pull an outfit together and give you guys that extra cuteness that you are looking for. A lot of different places I get outfits from, Forever 21. Lately, like I said, Charlotte Russe, and, well, not lately, that was like a year ago, but Charlotte Russe and Walmart. Literally, there's no one place, it's all so random, but online boutiques, I always look for cheaper prices on things or wait for sales to go on for different stores. Target, like I pull different pieces from different things. You can always find cheap things if you are looking out for it. But I would say a go-to is like Marshall's, TJ Maxx. Those always, you can find like a diamond in the rough and pull things together. So that's all I have for my Thanksgiving outfit ideas. I hope you guys have the best Thanksgiving ever. Don't forget to subscribe because we will have a new video coming out next Sunday, and I'm super excited to show you guys what we got going on there. If you're new to my channel, we post some lifestyle videos, some fitness videos, some food videos, challenge videos, like so many different kinds of videos. We love posting content for you guys, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get our videos. Follow me on Instagram for all these different ideas and like fun things. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Have a good week. Peace out. Andy&Han.